So you mentioned a bit about communication, and that's one of the unique things about you is that you're just an incredible communicator. And yeah, I absolutely admire how you communicate. I just wish more people could learn the techniques you do because I truly believe communication is everything. So as you're growing up, like, what was that thing that made you figure out that communication is important and for you to work on it? What was that thing that triggered everything?
For me, it was a lot of pain and heartache
Was it?
because I was invisible. And now I'm a bit more outrageous if you have a look at me now with the blonde hair and the ridiculousness of it all. But overcompensating, right? But when I was young, I was always invisible, Kwa. I remember growing up, quite shy Asian kid, typical Asian kid, great at school, straight A's. Every Wednesday afternoon, go to Kumon math class. Every Saturday, go to Vietnamese class. Every Sunday, bloody do physics and chemistry. I always was very good technically, but I never understood the value of building soft skills, or, I think they're more critical skills than soft skills.
Yep.
So as a result of not having good communication skills, when I liked a girl, she would never notice me. I was invisible. When I wanted to make friends with the cool kids in school, they never noticed me because I lacked communication skills. And it just affected me in every single area of my life, and it drove me insane, especially in the love life area, because I wanted to find love, and I just went, man, this sucks. I have so much value to offer. I'm so much better than the guy you're dating. He's a terrible person, and I was never able to communicate any of my value in any area of my life, even early on in my professional career as a magician. I knew I was a good magician. I had great sleight of hand, great technical skills, but no one ever booked me for an event. They booked good old Mike, who was not good as me. And I just had enough of it. I just went, you know what? I learned the lesson that you may be this good at what you do, a 10 out of 10. But if your ability to communicate is a 2 out of 10, people do not perceive you to be a 10 out of 10. You are only as good as you can communicate. And that's when I realized, oh crap, I better get good at this. Because I was of the mindset, Kwa, that I'm just going to focus on my strengths and completely ignore my limitations. But there's one limitation you cannot ignore. And if you ignore the limitation of communicating and being able to communicate and connect with other people, it's going to have a negative impact on your life for sure. I think definitely focus on our strengths in life. But if there's one limitation you cannot ignore, it's the limitation of not being able to communicate effectively.